Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Gas particles move at different speeds, even at the same temperature, so let's find the fastest one in these 3 containers right now.
Average speed depends on both temperature and molar mass, so we must look at how heavy these particles are. Since the temperature is constant, the lightest gas will move fastest.
We calculate the molar mass for each container by dividing the given mass by the number of moles. Container B has the lowest molar mass among all the 3 samples.
Because container B has the lightest particles, they must travel with the greatest average speed. That makes option B our final winner.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing through temperature data and trust the given molar mass calculations.